Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top global assets you should consider buying right now for great returns. You already know how I feel about diversifying your portfolio, and what better way to do that than by looking at opportunities beyond the borders of just one country? We'll be traveling the world from the comfort of this channel, exploring things like real estate in emerging markets, the continued dominance of technology stocks, and the incredible potential of renewable energy. And of course, no discussion about investing would be complete without at least mentioning cryptocurrency and gold, right? So grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about real estate. You guys know I love real estate, but it can be tough to find good deals here in the US, especially with these crazy prices. That's why I'm looking at emerging markets, countries that are experiencing rapid economic growth. Think about places like Vietnam, the Philippines, or even some parts of South America. These countries are seeing a surge in middle-class populations, and those people need places to live, work, and shop. That translates to increased demand for real estate, which could mean big returns for early investors. Of course, there are always risks involved with any investment, especially in emerging markets. You need to do your research, understand the local market, and potentially even work with local experts. But the potential rewards could be huge, so don't write it off without at least looking into it. Now let's move on to something a little closer to home, at least in a sense, technology stocks. The tech industry isn't bound by any geographic borders anymore. Companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon are global giants, and their growth is fueled by consumers all over the world. Think about it. How many people do you know who don't own a smartphone? The demand for these products and services is only increasing, and that's reflected in the stock market. Tech stocks have consistently outperformed the market over the past decade, and there's no reason to believe that's going to change anytime soon. But remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is filled with shiny tech stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, a solid track record of growth, and a competitive advantage in their industry. Alright, let's talk about the future, and I'm not talking about flying cars, though I wish I was. I'm talking about renewable energy. Governments worldwide are pouring trillions of dollars into clean energy initiatives, and for good reason. We need to transition away from fossil fuels, and this shift towards renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydropower is creating incredible investment opportunities. Think about it. As the demand for clean energy increases, so too will the value of companies operating in this space. And it's not just about the feel-good factor of investing in a more sustainable future. Investing in renewable energy can also be incredibly profitable. We're still in the early stages of this transition, which means there's huge potential for growth. Next up is everyone's favorite topic, cryptocurrency. Look, I know crypto can be a bit of a roller coaster. Its price is volatile, and it's still a relatively new and unregulated market. But there's no denying the potential of this asset class. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have made some people a lot of money in a very short period. And while past performance is never a guarantee of future results, I do believe that crypto is here to stay in some form or another. But remember, crypto is still the Wild West of investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before putting your hard-earned money into it. Finally, let's talk about gold. This precious metal has been considered a safe haven asset for centuries, and for good reason. When the economy is uncertain, people turn to gold as a way to protect their wealth. We've seen this time and time again throughout history. During times of inflation, political turmoil, or economic downturns, the price of gold tends to go up. Now, I'm not saying you should go and dump your entire life savings into gold bars, but having a small allocation to gold in your portfolio can act as a hedge against inflation and provide some stability during market volatility. Remember, diversification is key. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, these are just a few of the many global assets you can consider investing in. It's important to do your own research.